We're at the arch. We're gonna go up in it. We made it to the arch for the 9:20 tram. She doesn't understand the rules.
I love her.
I know, I love her too.
Mom, what does this say?
It says, to the Gateway Arch, welcome.
What does this say, Mama?
It says, this says no exit. I got our tickets on the phone. We're just waiting for our tram. It's almost our turn. They go every 10 minutes.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Where's your ticket?
We're holding up like a line of 50 people because Maple wants to do every step herself at the pace of a sloth. The tour guide's yelling, please go to your slots. Everybody move down. But Maple doesn't care. We have to wait our turn. Okay, you hold it, but go in it.
It's so cool.
It's pretty tiny in here.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you see? Whoa, we're going by pipes.
It didn't really wait. It just went.
I know. That's why we have to be careful and pay attention. I told Linden I would hold her really tight.
What's out there, Linden?
It's like a roller coaster.
Is it stairs?
A tiny room. Wow, this is neat.
You said we're going
Here, Mama.
to up.
Get Maple and me.
Hi, Maple. What are you doing? Do you see the outside? Maple just wants to play iPad. But it's keeping us all safe, so that's okay with me.
Upstairs.
Whatever it takes. Whoa, it's kind of freaky, but awesome. Don't worry, I got you tight.
Yeah.
Do you see Maple? We're going way up in it.
It's a special elevator.
Why are you not holding on?
I'm holding on to Olive and Linden.
Why not you? Why not Papa?
You want me to hold on?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll hold on. Like
It's
that.
okay. Maple, sit on a chair.
Maple's okay. She's doing an
We'll
iPad.
just let Maple do her
I want
thing.
to sit next to Maple. I don't need your hand.
You don't need my hand?
Because you're a big girl.
Is it done?
Almost, because it's slowing down.
What's happening, Linden?
I don't know.
Are we in an elevator?
Maybe,
Is it like a train or an
maybe
elevator?
we're out of batteries. You said we're going in a train, Papa.
This is a train.
No, it's not.
It's not? What is it?
It's an elevator.
Oh.
It's a tram.
It's kind of like an elevator.
Say tram.
Are we going to go in the train after it?
No, this is the tram.
This is the train?
Well, it's actually a tram. It's a train that goes up.
Oh. That's so cool. Is it done?
Almost. It's a special train that's kind of like an elevator and a train together.
Like, feels.
I'm a little claustrophobic in general, so that's off, I think. It's really small in here. You're claustrophobic.
We made it. Okay, I guess I'll go out first.
Up the stairs, they are.
Maple, bring your iPad and let's get out.
Where are we going now?
Can you hold this?
Beware, can have a fantastic day.
Happy Papa.
Come on,
Maple,
Maple.
the door's gonna close.
Okay, Linden, let's go
I can hold
upstairs.
your hand, Mama. Happy Papa. Happy Papa.
Come on, Happy Papa.
Happy Papa.
Happy Papa. Okay. Maple, you wanna walk up the stairs? Okay.
Clear the doors now. Closing once again. The doors are now closing.
Oh, that was exciting.
What were those people doing then?
Here we go, we did it!
To the top, folks, please. All the way up.
We did it! Want to look at the window? Look at the window. Shell. Maple's here.
Here, you can go to a spot right now, Maple. I'll like so.
This is so bad. Hi, Papa.
Okay, Mama will help you.
I'm ready to go down already.
You are?
Yeah.
Well, we could just get in line.
Yeah.
I'm going to say something quick about it.
We're at the top of the arch. We're at the top of the arch. This is it. This is all you get. But you get amazing views. It's just like kind of small and crowded up here. So I'm ready to get in line and go back down. Hey guys.
Whenever you guys are done, we tell the rangers and then they
Do you understand? Careful for this foot, guys.
Maple, does Maple want to see it?
Sorry. It's okay. Maple, come on, listen to us. Okay, I put it on the floor. Hey, Linden.
You gotta grab one of them.
Linden, no, you're not allowed to go down there.
Do we go down the same way?
I think so.
We have to go down on this side, Maple.
You can go down either side.
Oh, you can't?
Talk to this man right here.
We can go down wherever we want.
Yes.
Oh.
You want to look out?
Do we have to sign in
Is there a
or?
line?
I'll just sign you a card and I'll be in.
Okay.
How many do we have?
4.
Okay, want to look?
Where's me?
You can go down right now.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's time to go down.
So you just go look
Do you
in
have the
there.
iPad?
Yeah. Do you have that camera on a stick?
Yeah.
Come on, Maple. You want uppy? Here, I'll hold your hand. Okay, uppy. Maple, shh. What do you say, 7?
Yeah.
Maple, you wanna? Here, we're gonna go in it. Let's go in it. Okay. 7.
7. This one.
Going in it. We're gonna watch the iPad together.
It's our lucky number.
Sit next to me, Maple. Sit next to me.
Oh, jeez.
I was just sitting on my iPad.
Here's the iPad.
Sit on my iPad.
Hey, Linden.
Yeah, I want to sit on the edge so that we can block them.
Yeah. Keep them in the middle. Can you imagine having a?
2 people in here?
Can you imagine having a
No.
stranger in here?
2?
Maple, sit next to me. Sit next. Mama, you can sit here.
Oh, that's nice. I think I'll put my bag here. I guess I could even feed Oliver.
You might as well get a little footage of them. Since
You
we're
can sit here.
Oh.
in this situation, we don't want to have to repeat.
Mama, you want to sit here?
No, I'm comfortable right here.
But you want to sit here.
Can you tell me a story?
Oh, I know. Let's make up new stories.
No.
No?
No. Yeah.
Yeah? That would be fun.
Yeah.
I want to feed Olive.
Okay.
It's okay. You can sit here, Mama.
Thanks. You can stop moving my bag.
I want you to sit here. I want you to sit here. Just sit here, Mama. I want you to sit
No.
here.
Stop doing
I
that.
want you to sit here.
People on the train, please,
You can sit here. I want to sit here.
Oh,
No.
doors are closing.
Oh, good. So I won't feed her.
But you said I'm going to sit there.
You want me to sit next to you?
Yeah.
Now, are you happy? Ow!
Oh, it's going.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm glad we went in the morning because if we had to wait, an hour in each line, it definitely wouldn't have been worth it. We got tickets for the first tram available so we would beat all the lines. And I'm really glad we did because we still had to wait quite a bit and it was still really challenging wrangling these three. But we went through security and we waited in one line, then another line, then another line.
Do you want to make a movie? Here, I'll start it for you. Okay, it's Linden. If you point it like this, it'll make a movie. See? Here, you hold it. You can make your own. Linden's making her first movie.
Linden's making a movie.
Linden's making her first movie.
You want to point it at me and I'll talk?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to point it at me. So, turn it around and you see me. Do you see me?
Yeah.
Make a movie,
Hi!
Linden.
Is this Linden's first movie? Hi, Linden's first movie. Can I be in it?
Sure.
Oh, good. What should I talk about?
You should talk about it.
Oh, Linden wants me to talk about poop. Did you know that everybody poops? Linden poops, Maple poops, Olive poops. Everybody poops.
Everybody poops.
Are you done? Are you done making a movie?
No, I don't want to. I just want to go. I want this train, this elevator to go fast.
You want it to go faster? Then wouldn't it be scary?
No.
Because you're a big girl?
No.
Do you like how it's going?
I love this elevator.
Do you want to go in this elevator every day? You want to make a movie of me?
Make a movie of Papa.
You have to look in it
Point it at Papa,
and
yeah.
see somebody.
Point it at
Hi,
Papa.
Linden's movie. What do you want me to talk about?
Oh, hi, Linden's movie. Nice to see you. Oh, hi, Maple. Say hi, Linden's movie.
Hi, Maple. No.
All right, now let's go eat. I'm starving.
Okay.
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
We did it. That was a lot of effort and a lot of advanced parenting, and we did it. We got three kids, 3 and under, on this tiny tram, way up in the sky and back down again.
In the arch.
Up in the gateway arch. Way up in it.